2014 Dodge Journey. Where is the battery located? Under the wheel well. First you gotta take the tire off, jack up the car, jack it up just enough to take the tire off. 2014 Dodge Journey. Group size battery is an 86. Now for this job, I'm an 86. Hardest part about the job is that all the lug nuts are stripped. Every single one. And you need this component here to go over the lugs to take any strip nut off. Tire is off. This tire is about to become my workbench. So let me grab it up high enough. Fall on the tire. That's good enough. Yeah. Alright. Show you the wheel well. Now you gotta take these rivets off. Make sure you take all these rivets in order to get inside the wheel well to access the battery. I'm gonna prop this up right here so y'all can see me at work. Alright, you gotta take these rivets off to access the wheel well to get to the battery. Prop this up here on the rotor. Y'all see me go to work. Get a nice little angle for y'all. Alright, hope you guys can see. About to loosen up this panel. It doesn't have the right tools to do it, so what you want to do is get a screwdriver. Some rivets you have to push in order to push out. These you just get between the gaps of the rivets. Work it out slowly but gently. At this point, I don't really care about being careful with these rivets. I'm just so frustrated at this job. Been here, it seemed like 2 hours dealing with strip nuts. Had to beat the heck out of the nut to get it out. Car terminology. Stop thinking with your dirty minds out there, people. Stop thinking with your dirty minds. See how long it takes for one rivet to get out? The simplest things be the worst. I don't want to damage. Because if it don't go back on correctly, I hate to do a video and it's taking so long just to get one part off. Could have showed you the process of the strip nut and the tool I used to get it off during the time I was getting it off, but it just took entirely too long for that video. I'd rather just show you the tools that did the job. turn that rivet. Should come out in 2 pieces. Ooh, look at that. It's in there deep. So I think I'm just use this vice grip. But I think I gotta use this screwdriver first. Just give me some action so I can pull it out easy. Did these lugs, and the lady like, oh, I could have went to the tire shop. They could have did it much faster, but she called AAA, and I'm here. So let me do what I do. But thank you for the bottle of water. It'll take you an hour to come check on your AAA mechanic. My goddamn air compressor making a lot of noise. Never comes on when I need it to come on. One thing about this, you gotta be patient. If you don't have patience, this job is not going to work out for you. You gotta have good patience and good customer service. First week I ever worked for emergency roadside service, I had a job like this. I think it was a Lincoln. Dodge, Lincolns, pretty much keep their batteries in the wheel well. The purpose of that, I don't know. Who wants their battery in the wheel well to save space under the hood? Not me. Not me. So when I take all these rivets off, I'll be back to talk to you guys and show you where the battery's located. Finally got up in there. That wheel well, had to tie it back, zip ties. Very highly corroded inside there. It's a 2014 Dodge Journey in the wheel well. Very difficult install. This is what we all been waiting for it. Check it out. Like a 9-month-old baby. See that? A lot of work, y'all. I got about. I'm getting there slowly but surely. No problem. This is oh. AAA, baby. Do the connections. And I'm out of here. 2-hour job.